Okay, so if we want to use skins and themes to control the appearance of our ASP.NET controls, the first thing we have to do is make a theme folder. And again, we're going to right-click on I call it the website up here, but right-click on this guy up here, and then don't choose new folder. We want to add a special ASP.NET folder, so choose this one, and then come down and choose theme, and then make sure and name the theme. So again, you can name it whatever you want. We'll just do the season thing again. So here's my summer theme, and it's case sensitive, so just kind of watch your case. And then the theme itself, again, is nothing. The theme's really a holder for skins, and we'll see CSS files. So the next step I want to do is make a skin file within my theme folder. And to do that, I right-click, not on the website, but right-click on the folder. And then they say Add New Item. And down here, choose Skin File. You can call it whatever you want. I just leave it skin file.skin. Don't select any of these boxes. You can have one skin file to hold all your skins, or you can use separate skin files for each of your skins. But personally, I just use the one. So I do this, and it makes a skin file. And the top of this, in the comments, it kind of tells you what to do, how to make an actual skin to put in the skin file. But the process that I use is to actually, well, here's the process. What I do is say, I want to add a new item here. I'm going to add a page and put a control on it, the control that I want to create the skin for. So I'll add the page, make sure and use Site Master, come in here, and the example we'll use again is the calendar control. So I go to the toolbox, add a calendar control, and you notice right now this calendar control, the source code we get, it's pretty basic, pretty stripped down, just says give me a calendar. And if we go to design view, we've got a calendar that's formatted how it's formatted. But if I want every calendar on my website to look a certain way, what I'm going to do is first of all format this guy. And to format him, I'm going to talk to Rob, choose auto format, and choose one of the, I'm just going to choose one of the default auto format settings. But now if I want every calendar on my website to look this way, what I'm going to do is go back to the source code, copy the source code, and paste this into the skin file. So rather than me, I could have created this in here myself, but this is a lot. Now, I got no idea what most of this stuff's doing, to be honest. And I don't want to type this. So I talked to Rob, have him do it. Then the one thing I want to do is strip out the ID out of this. Because what's going to happen is anytime I have a calendar anywhere within my project, once I say turn on the theme stuff, it's going to say, well, you got a calendar control. I'm going to take all this stuff and jam it together with the calendar control you have. So this is how we make a skin. We've made the theme folder. We've made the skin file. We've actually made a skin inside the skin file. The next thing we want to do, well, actually let's save this. The next thing we want to do is tell our project to use this particular theme folder. And to do that, we go to our web config file. And within the system.web section, so we're actually right after the system.web start tag, I want to paste in, hang on, I want to paste some stuff in here. And the thing I want to paste in here, I don't remember what it is off the top of my head, so I went and looked it up. We want to copy this little chunk of code and paste this in our system.web. And it's just this pages theme equals something, and then we want to put the name of our theme folder here. And in this case, the name of my theme folder is summer, and I had a big S, so I got to get the case correct. I put this in here, save the web config, and now I'll make another new page and add a calendar control just to show you that this works. Come on. I want to make another new page. Oh, sorry, add new item, add a web form. It's called default 3. I want to make sure that I'm using the master page. And then within here, I will drop a calendar control. You notice this calendar control, no formatting. When I look at it in the design view, I actually don't see it here. But when I run this, when the server jams all this stuff together, there, the formatting of this calendar has picked up the formatting from the skin file. So any calendar I create from now on within this particular project will pick up that formatting. If I want to change themes, if I want to have multiple themes, so I want to have a summer theme, a winter theme, a spring theme, well, what I'm going to do is to make a new theme, add an ASP.NET folder. I want to add a theme folder. It puts it in the right place here. So I can have a summer theme and I can have a winter theme. Again, I'd have to create another skin file down within this. Add a new item, make a skin file. It's the same name, but you notice it's in a different folder, so that's okay. I can come to my calendar control, the one that I made that I formatted. Change the formatting on this one. Oops, I got to make sure to talk to his Rob. Auto format. Change it to this. Copy this code. Paste this into this skin file. And just strip out the ID. The ID is the one thing you got to get rid of. Save this. And now to switch themes, all I do is go to my web config and change the name here from summer to winter. And if I save this and run this now, it's now picking up the winter theme. So again, you can have multiple themes. Just make the new folders, and then to switch, all you do is go to your web config and put the name of the different theme you want in there, and then automatically, next time somebody gets a page, they get the new theme. So that's creating skins and themes, and that's for controlling the ASP.NET controls, or the appearance of them.